With a 505 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and a brilliantly tuned chassis, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio has muscled its way toward the top of the competitive sports sedan segment. While it's not as posh as the Mercedes-AMG C63 or as lithe as the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, the Alfa brings a massive serving of passion to the table, all the better to charm its driver into clipping apexes on even the most routine commutes. The other thing it serves up is the potential for a maintenance and repair headache. We drove one for over 40,000 miles, and it didn't end that long-term test with the best reputation for reliability. Geeked-out car buffs won't likely care about that, though. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is that much fun to drive. Although it hasn't had a styling update since it was launched as a 2018 model, the Giulia remains one of the most beautiful cars in the class. Its interior, too, is stylish, even if it lacks the same level of fit and finish as its competitors. To celebrate the 100th anniversary of the four-leaf clover Quadrifoglio badge it has placed on its high-performance cars, Alfa Romeo has clinched a special 100th anniversary model of the high-powered Giulia Quadrifoglio sports sedan. Only 100 will be produced, and all will come with gold brake calipers, unique wheels, carbon fiber grille and mirror caps, gold stitching on the seats and instrument panel, and a host of commemorative badges inside and out. Other than that, the Giulia Quadrifoglio benefits from the same upgrades as the non-QF model, which includes new LED headlights and tail lights. The car also now comes with a larger 12.3-inch digital instrument display.